Morning. Let's just get going to 30 seconds of different movements. So it's nice and easy. It is brisk. So setting the beat up now. If you need to go slower, you go slower. But if you can, you start to move with the music. We'll be mostly on the spot, so it'll be easier to stay in time. Good. Keep it going. Doing well. Remember to pick your feet up and move those arms. Tap it out to the side. Lovely. Doing well. Good, good. Using those arms to help. So you can just let them hang if you prefer. You can pull them down, push them up, whatever. Lovely. Doing well. Already changing. Tap it out and change to a little transference of weight. So you're just tapping over. If you can, add a little punch through so it helps get some movement into your upper back. Good. Doing well. Again, you can do a little bend into it as well. Good, good. Keep going. Good. Take it into a double of these steps. Good. Arms up and over. Lovely. Keep it going. Doesn't have to be a big step, and arms can stay low. Don't even have to circle. Mine just do that as we move. Good. Nearly there. Good hamstring curls. Again, you could use those arms pulling down if you want, just to make it a little bit more active. Otherwise, stay easy. Arms in front. Good. Doing well. Keep going. Have we got the beat yet? Do you think we can add in a little walk forward? Here we go, walk forward. 3, 2, 1 and back. Again. So make it smaller steps if you need to. Doing well. Good. Doesn't have to be forwards and back. Be side. Good, good. Again. Could be on the spot if you need to. Lovely. Stay here. 3, 2, 1, tap. Again. 3, 2, 1, tap. Good. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, tap. Again. Good. 3, 2, 1, tap. If you can, a little travel with those 3, 2, 1. Good. Lovely. 3, 2, 1, tap. Let's do one more just for me. Good. Knee lifts here. So again, you can pull down. You can lift it up. Up to you. Good. Again. Doing well. Good. Step touch. Good. Keep going. Now can you bring this forwards for 4? And back. Good. And again, come forwards. Doing well. Go back. Good, good. Keep it going. Nearly there. Bring it back. Take it wide. We're going out, out, in. Good. So again, here, as you go out, do you want to drop down a little bit into it? Or would you rather keep it small? Up to you. Take it wide. Good. Keep it going, but we're going to change to 4 counts out. So it's 4. 3, 2, 1, and in. Again. Good, good. And in you are done. Good job, well done. Let's see how many I did. 2,400, so I did 7,000 in 5 minutes. That's good going. Hopefully that'll add a little bit to your day. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.